If you've ever camped in a Cedar Creek, you know that construction and quality are the focus behind everything we build. This new line has been designed with those same processes. 6-sided aluminum studs, hand screwed and hand glued every 16 inches or less on center. Composite slide floors, and a completely heated and enclosed underbelly with 12-volt heating pads on all of your tanks, just to mention a few. The Cedar Creek Experience allows a wider array of customers to join the Cedar Creek family at a more affordable price without sacrificing the features and quality that most manufacturers leave out when launching a new product. Now it's time for you to experience Cedar Creek.